Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to blur background of photo in Photopea. Open browser and type photopea.com. Here upload your photo by dragging it into your workspace using file menu. Now locate quick selection tool. Adjust tool size based on your needs. Use the tool, select the subject, the part you want to keep in the focus. But it doesn't need to be perfect. Now switch to negative tool to refine the selection. Adjust brush size and carefully go over area that needs to correction. Ensure a clean outline around the subject. When you are done with this, right-click on the selection, choose Layer via Copy to create a new layer with the only selected subject. The original layer still contains the entire photo, including the background. Click on the original layer, bottom one. Navigate to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. You can adjust radius to control level of blur. Preview and then click OK when you are satisfied. Background of the original layer is now blurred. If needed, go back to blur layer, refine the selection or adjust the blur. And once you are satisfied, save your edited photo. You successfully learned how to blur background of photo. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.